James here again from Kalan. Many people ask about our new 3D printer, the Kalan Orbeat D100. Today, I'm going to open these books and show you some features. Now, the box is open and on top of it, here is a poly bag. Inside of the poly bag, here is one piece of FPP film, one piece user manual, one pair of gloves. And now, let's take out the printer and its accessories. Now the box is removed and the printer is inside the foam. Take off the foam. And tear off the protection film. This screen cover is made of plastic material, not acrylic material, so it will be never broken during transportation. Inside of the plastic cover, there are some accessories. Sample resin, USB disc, tool keys, power adapter, power cord, lighters, scrapper, and the last is the resin wet. Alright, this printer is ready and take it on. This printer is run by Kalan Orbeat system. We can control this printer by the touch screen. Here, print, system, tools. It's very easy to operate this printer. The printing series is one USB collection, so we can simply install the USB disk here and do the printing. Loose the front and the side screw, and then make sure the platform could be rotated like this. Put a A4 paper on the LCD screen and insert the build plan and fix, and then connect manual and home, and make sure four side is in good direction. And then fix the screw. Remember, it should be very tightly. And then after it's finished, and then up. The platform is leveled, and then we need to check the 2K LCD screen, it works or not. So we need to connect the tool, side brake, last. If the LCD screen shows the rectangular, then it means it works. If the LCD screen is works, and then we need to input the resin wax and fix the screw. put into the resin wax. It should be around 100 milliliter. We have to load the Orbeat file into the USB disk. The Orbeat file is created by a lamp Orbeat slicer, so we could just input the file into the lamp Orbeat slicer. Orbeat slicer slices one repeat, and we can see those files. It takes maximum 1 minute to do the job, and after we load this file into the USB disk, plug it in, and we can select the file from the touch screen and click in. Files could be reviewed before printing. That's cool, alright? Okay, let's click the start button.